What's up, y'all? Trucker's Life here with, who's that? Janiyah. With my baby. With Trucker's daughter. And we're taking a weekend or a night out of the truck. We're actually about to we checked into our room. We're about to go into it for the first time. And I'm taking y'all with us.
This is fun.
My baby's, okay, y'all. You have to get my baby's live reaction. You ready, baby?
Okay.
Open up. This is our room, y'all.
Wow. Whoa. It's cool in here.
We are in a hotel room for the night.
Whoa!
Getting out of the truck. And we're going to give y'all a little tour of our humble abode for the night. My baby's excited. Got TV right there. We got the balcony. My truck right there, as y'all see. Whoa. My baby's so excited. There's my truck, y'all. So I got a perfect view on it. Yes, y'all. So here we go. This is the room. My baby's all happy. Yeah. This is me. Big old Trucker's Life, y'all. And this is our bathroom. Yes, y'all. This is where we're staying for the night. Yeah. For my baby, I do this. But hey, you guys, thanks for your support. What do you say, baby? Truckers.
Checkers.
Ow.